Hi everyone, it's Rob at Forces Blades. Today we're going to be getting this neat little pair of leaf spring skinners that you may have already seen us get cut out. Came from the same leaf spring. We're just going to get them in the, get them ready to make a knife out of. Basically, get them in the forge and straighten them out. You know, there's a bend in that leaf spring. They started as one of these. You see that? Started as one of these. I got to take that curve out. Let's get started. Not going to be doing any selective cooling today. This is the hardest part of forging sometimes, is hurry up and wait. So this little forge, it won't take long. What I'm doing here is it's basically so hot that it's a lot easier to kind of turn the fire